Hey.
Here for Rain.
Rain, yep.
Yes.
Thank
you
One
so
second.
much.
Do you need more leg room?
No, you're perfect.
Oh.
We're just waiting for 2 more people.
No,
they're right here.
Only 4, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Quick question.
Yes.
I'm streaming on YouTube. Is
Yes.
it cool if I keep it on?
Sure.
Yeah? Alright. Cool. Can I just put it down there,
Yeah,
please?
sure.
Got everybody?
Yeah.
Alright.
How's your night?
It's been good. It's been good. Do I have to turn around? Or?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, got it. Yeah, I don't usually go up here
Turn
often.
to stay on Baker Drive, then turn right on Wardenburg Drive.
Please use your seatbelt for your safety.
What are you tonight?
Shining.
A what?
Have you seen The Shining?
The movie.
The Shining.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
okay.
movie. Yeah.
No, I haven't seen that movie.
Yeah. We're like characters from the movie.
So,
Yeah.
all of you girls are characters from the movie?
I'm a firefighter.
Firefighter. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
I'm a
cool.
party
Turn right on
animal.
Wardenburg Drive.
Party animal. That's dope.
Have you been busy tonight?
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
non-stop the whole time.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Good night for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Top 3 holidays. Maybe only second to New Year's Eve or something.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. That must be really busy.
Just ahead, turn left on 18th Street. Turn left on 18th Street.
Can I go down for, I feel like it's I feel like it's taking me like through some weird direction.
No, you're good.
Are you sure that's right?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, party time.
Some snazzy. Ooh, let's get it.
You can change the light too, but I don't want
Oh,
to touch
fancy.
you. Yeah.
Love it.
Somewhere there over there. That's the
Yeah.
switch, yeah.
I like it.
In a quarter-mile, turn left on College Avenue using the left lane.
Not the pat on the shoulder. Mommy, tell
I know, this looks like in my head too.
Really?
But the lines are gonna be brutal.
It's gonna be so bad.
1 hour long to get in.
Yeah,
Sheesh.
for sure.
Really?
That's my guess. I don't know.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Turn
packed.
left on College Avenue.
What about like?
You guys want to say something to the
Hey.
live?
Hey.
How's everybody doing? This is a party animal and
yeah,
I'm
here.
a firefighter.
You're the party animal.
This is
No,
the party animal.
You're the party animal.
See, look at
All
my
right.
party
I'm
hat.
the firefighter. I have
Okay.
firefighter pants on, you can't really tell.
All right.
Yup.
And you, ma'am, too, behind me?
I'm in The Shining.
Oh,
She's
Yeah,
the
she's
sister.
with me.
Gotcha.
We're like the twins.
Cool.
Yeah. You didn't dress up?
I'm a cougar hunter. Like my hat,
Oh,
and I also have a mask.
yeah.
Love
Love
that.
it.
The
I'm
hat
a
says
cougar hunter also.
the hat says cougar hunter,
I love
That's
it.
awesome. I might have to make one of those.
but the mask is like kind of uncomfortable after a while.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm sure.
It's
Yeah.
plastic, so.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
fair. Cougars are awesome.
Love cougars.
Yup. Rain, I think we're fine.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that angel? Yeah, that looks like an angel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Lip plumper on. Does that feel good? Can I have some?
Sorry, are you okay?
Oh no.
Wait, does it feel
Oh,
weird?
ma'am.
No, wait, is that okay? Do you wipe it off?
Wait, does it feel weird?
In a little bit.
I've
Just
never
tickles.
had.
Leap plumper to work with them. There's a vote for Pedro. That's a genius costume.
That's so good.
I've seen a couple of those. I practiced some of the frisbee players.
That's a pretty good costume. I'm afraid of that.
Yeah, I don't love them either.
Yeah, it's getting crazy on the streets already.
Yeah.
If you guys want.
Yeah,
You
we
sure?
can get out here.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can go to the stop sign.
It's
Thank
all
you
quick.
so much.
All quick.
Okay, this
Yeah,
works.
yeah.
Alright, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Good night, ladies.
Have a
Happy
good night.
Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Ooh-wee. Jeez. Ghost? All those ghosts? Man, it's fucking lit. It's lit. It's lit. Sheesh. Sheesh kebab. Shit. Dang.
On Boulder, then turn left on College Avenue.
It's lit.
Turn right on Pennsylvania Avenue, then turn right on Broadway Street.
It's lit. Bang what? Bengot? Bengot? Bengal? God damn. Sheesh. Superwoman? Damn. God damn. Wonder Woman?
Just ahead, turn right on 15th Street. Turn right on 15th Street, then turn right on Euclid Avenue.
Damn. Alright. Gonna wrap this one up, guys. Gonna bust out my GoPro. Anyways, thank you for watching, everybody.
Turn
Thank you,
right
everybody,
on
for
Euclid
tuning in.
Avenue,
Happy Halloween.
then turn
Have a
right
good
on
night.
14th
Peace.
Street.